Okay, let's find the domain of the rational function x plus 2 over x squared plus 5x plus 6. To find the domain of any rational function, you should always set the denominator, in this case x squared plus 5x plus 6, equal to 0, and solve that. Okay, that'll be our first step. Okay, so if I were solving this, I could factor it, x plus 3 times x plus 2 equals 0. All right, and then set each individual component equal to 0. And that will give me -3 and -2. Okay, so what we found are the two numbers that if I were to plug them into the function, I would end up causing the denominator to equal 0, which would have a 0 in the bottom of a fraction, or divide by 0, which is something that we cannot have. So what we found are two numbers that are excluded from the domain. So if you want to picture the domain as all the x values spanning from -infinity to +infinity, typically they're always all acceptable, except in this case at -3 and at -2. There are holes in the domain at -3 and at -2. But all numbers before -3 are fine. All numbers between -3 and -2 are fine. All numbers greater than -2 are fine. So that means my domain consists of -infinity to -3, representing that first unbroken piece, -3 to -2, representing the second unbroken piece, -2 to infinity, representing this third unbroken piece, and then finally let's put these u's in between each set of parentheses, representing the union of these three. Okay, U for union. All right, so there you go. That's the domain. All numbers between -infinity and -3, with the section including all numbers between -3 and -2, and also the section that includes all numbers from -2 to +infinity.